Hello, this is Nevis and I'm going to show you how to submit your actual work in the assignment on Google Classroom. So here you have the assignment as you see it as a student. You have the word APRI open. This is for 2D English conversation and it'll be the same for everybody. So you open your assignment. At that point, down the bottom you'll see it says Google Drive. To add your work, and you have to add in the file from your Google Drive. So once you've added that in, you click on Consegna. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now let's do that one more time. So you're in your classroom, you're on the stream of the classroom, go down to the assignment. In this case it's Unit 2, Town and Country. Click on Open or APRI and just let's do it again. We're going to add a Google Drive. As you see, you can add a link, a file. So it's much easier to go to the Google Drive, add it, and there it is. And then you just click on Consegna, which is Submit. At that point, you click on Submit, and it will show up, and there it is. Now if you make a mistake, you can actually go here to retira, and that means remove it and start all over again. So that's how easy it is. Hope you don't have any problems, but if you do, don't hesitate to send me an email. Thanks for listening. Enjoy, and I look forward to marking your assignments.